Alright, so today we're going to work on replacing that thermostat housing gasket. I replaced the thermostat the other day and I put a new gasket in it, but it's leaking. I may have to go with Permatex, but for right now I'm going to try to sand down a little bit and get a smooth surface. I'd rather not use Permatex if I can avoid it. Alright, we got a 13 millimeter. So there's the new thermostat I put in the other day. Now we just have to get this cleaned up. All this gasket here. What I'm going to do now is going to put some towels down in here. That way it just keeps from crud getting down inside my engine. Now I'll take a razor blade, scrape this off. Okay, so now I've got the razor blade, I got most of it scraped off. And now let's just take a file to it and get it smooth. Make sure that it's laid flat and you put pressure right here in the middle. Because if it's off, you can easily get, you don't want it to be off. You don't want one end filed down more than the other. So you want to be very careful when you file this. Just making sure it's smooth all the way around. We don't want any rough ends, rough surfaces, where it could leak out through underneath the gasket. I may still have to use some Permatex here. Sometimes it's just impossible to get it smoothed out perfect, but we're going to try. That's the goal. Let's get it smoothed out where that gasket can seal and we can avoid from having to use a gasket maker. You also want to make sure that when you tighten it back up, you get it good and tight with a wrench, not just that impact a wrench or a socket, whatever. You just want to make sure that they're good and tight. Now we're going to clean up the mess. Everything dried off here. Pick up all these towels. Don't have a whole lot, and I may have to go to the store and get some more. Alright, she's running. We're going to just keep an eye on it.